Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to let this gumball machine decide what color my eyeshadow is going to be. Okay, so we're going to find out. I think this is fun. There's some pretty wild colors in here, people. Okay. Alright. Red. So yeah, red. Alright, well, there we go. Boo! Hi. Well, what do you think? I think it turned out pretty cute. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I hope you guys like this look. I think it turned out really pretty. Alright, well, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.